The number in millions of employees working in educational services in a particular country was 17.2 in 2005 and 19.9 in 2014. Let x equal 5 correspond to the year 2005 and estimate the number of employees in 2010. Assume the data can be modeled by a straight line and that the trend continues indefinitely. Use two data points to find such a line and then estimate the requested quantity. So we're going to go ahead and let x equal time and y represent the number of employees. If you go back to the information, that's the way they're matched. Notice 17.2 million employees in 2005. So they're going to let the x equal 5 for 2005. 19.9 million employees in 2014. So x is going to be 14, and it's going to be paired up with a y of 19.9. Draw a timeline just to put the information in order. And this is what they gave us in the information. X equal 5, which will be 2005, is paired up with 17.2. That's millions of employees. 2010, well, that would be x equal 10, and that's what we're looking for. How many employees in 2010? 2014 is going to be x equal 14, and they told us that's paired up with 19.9. So you take the ones that you know everything about, the x and the y, the x and the y. Here's the x, this is going to be the y. Here's the x, here it's partner y. This is a partner y for this x. So notice 5 is paired up with 17.2. 14 is paired up with 19.9. So this produces the 2 points that we need. Now we need to come up with the equation of a line. The equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. To write this line, we need an m and a b. So we need to find the slope. And notice we have a formula for the slope. And then we find the b. So finding the m requires that you write your formula. Notice we label our points and then plug these numbers in here. Notice y sub 2 is 19.9. So that one's going to go here, 19.9. And that's the way you substitute each one of these into the slope formula. So you substitute them into the slope formula, and it looks like this. You simplify, and you get 0.30. So now that you know the m, you put it where the m was. The m was right here, but we know what it is. So you put the number for the m, since we found the m. To find the b, use one of the points to find b. Use one of the 2 points. It doesn't matter which one. Or go ahead and use this point. And notice this is xy. So what we're going to do is this x is going to go here, and this y is going to go here. We do that substitution. Simplify to find your b. So now we have this, simplify, and we find the b. So we had found the m, and it went here. Now we know the b, and it goes here. So this is the line that represents the data that they gave us. Now with that equation, we could answer the second question. In the year 2010, that would be x equal 10. How many employees would there be? So you plug in the 10 right here, simplify, and that gives you the number of employees. 18.17 million employees.